Safety, a subject of great importance, will now be discussed. Rotating machinery poses great hazards, and no matter how well it is protected, still accounts for too many injuries in our industries. The main and most important rule to follow is this: never attempt any maintenance work on live equipment. Always isolate and test for isolation before you work on the equipment. Isolation may be as simple as removing a plug from a power point or switching out a circuit breaker. In some cases, you may need a permit and then have an electrician lock out a switching station unit. But whatever it takes, do it. Never take a chance when it comes to your safety on rotating equipment. Even when isolated, you can still get injured, so keep your fingers away from pinch points if, during the course of maintenance, you have to manually rotate the machine. Wherever possible, rotate a machine by turning a coupling or a shaft. Don't rotate by turning the chain or belt, as this usually ends up with a finger injury. Don't wear loose, floppy clothing. Roll up your sleeves and keep your overalls well zipped or buttoned up to avoid any snagging as you work. Whenever applicable, wear the stipulated personal protective clothing or equipment. Clear away all tools and materials when you finish the job. Always replace safety guards before reconnecting the power. Before starting up, make sure nobody is nearby as you do a test run to make sure all is well and that the equipment is safe to put back online. Safety with revolving equipment is really just common sense and the adherence to some simple rules. Rules designed to keep you from becoming another accident statistic. In following programs, you can learn more about belt and chain maintenance procedures.